Good morning, student. Now in this lecture we are going to see how to convert a decimal number into binary number system. In our previous lecture we have seen that conversion of binary to decimal. Now in this lecture we are going to see conversion of decimal to binary. Now we are going to see with the example. Suppose that we are going to convert 200 into binary number system. Now first of all we have to divide this number by 2 and we have to write the remainder in the side of this side, and this process is continued till the number is divided and remainder will be 0 or 1. Now first of all we have to divide 200 by 2, then we have divided 100 times and the remainder will be 0. Again we are going to divide this 100 with 2, this will 50, remainder will be 0. Now again we are going to divide this 25 times, remainder will be 0. Again we are going to divide it 12 times, that means 12 to the 24 and remainder will be 1. Now again same process, we have to repeat same process. Now again we are going to start it from 200 because in that side we have the lack of space. Now we are going to repeat some same process, and we have to divide 2 with 2, only we have to divide with 2 and remainder will be 0. Again we are going to divide with 2, this will 50, this will be 50 and remainder will be 0 again. Now again we are going to divide it with 25 and remainder will be 0. Again divide with 2 12 times, remainder will be 1. Again we have to divide 12 6, remainder will be 0. Again we are going to divide with 2, this will 3, remainder will be 0. Now again we are going to divide with 2, 2 1 are 2, remainder will be 1. Again if we are going to divide with 2, we have to take the 0, we have 0 and remainder will be 1, because if we are going to divide 1 with 2, then 2 multiplied by 0 gives 0 and remainder will be 1. Now the crucial and important point is this: if we are going to write this is the remainder, we are going to write the remainder as a binary number. Now we have to write this number in lower to bottom order. We have to write this from lower to upper फॉर्मेट में हम इसे लिखेंगे. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विथ दिस 1. नाउ राइट now we have to write this from the start, from bottom to upper. First we have to write 1, then this 1, then this 0, then this 0, then 1, then 0, then this 0, then this 0, and this is our binary equivalent of 200. If we are going to represent 200 in binary number system, then the value is 1100100000. This is the binary equivalent to 200. So we have to check the number or convert the number into decimal to binary by following this method. If we are going to see it with another example, now suppose we are going to find the decimal equivalent of 45. Now first of all we have to divide it with 2 and we have to put the remainder in this side. We have to divide it by 22 times and the remainder will be 1. Now it will divided by 11 times, remainder will be 0. 2 5 times, remainder will be 1. 2 times, remainder will be 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder will be 0. Here 2 multiplied by divided by 0 times and remainder will be 1. Now we are going to write this number in this sequence from lower to upper format. Now our binary equivalent is, we have to take this 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1. Now this is our binary equivalent. If we are going to cross verify this number, then we have to convert it from binary to decimal again. Now if we are going to check this number, we have to convert it into decimal, and to convert the decimal number system from binary number system, we have to start counting from 0 and from the right side of the number. So we have put it here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the number occurs with 0. This 0 will give 0. This will 0, because everything multiplied by 0 will give 0. Then we have to calculate only the value at the position of 1. Here this value is 1 into 2 to the power 0, that means 1. 1 plus, here 1 into 2 to the power 2, that means 4, plus 2 to the 1 into 2 to the power 3, that means 8, plus 1 into 2 to the power 5, that means 32. And if we are going to add 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 4, 44 and 1, 45. That means we have verified this binary number. This is the exact and accurate number of 45. So this is the process to convert from decimal to binary number system, and how to cross verify this number system. So now we have to practice some more number system. Now your assignment is to convert the following numbers into binary number system, and your first number is 155, second number is your 37, fourth is your 10, fourth is your 20, sixth one is your 77. So this is your home assignment, to convert this number into binary number system.